Every trader's focus is to get low spreads and finding a perfect strategy. They also focus on proper entries and exits. However, before any decision is made, look for a reliable broker. We all want to have good spreads and commissions that allow us to get into the blue faster. At HankoTrade, having spreads as low as 0.0 pips with leverage available up to 500 times is just one click away. You may also choose from 3 different account types, with a minimum deposit as low as $10. Built by traders for traders. Trade and control with our recommended broker, HankoTrade.
Hey guys, good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome to another live session with Stock Sniper Trading. My name is Dave, guys. My partner is Ron. Today is the 30th, okay? A couple days till the end of the month, all right? It's a U.S. bank holiday. It's Memorial Day, guys. So everyone who's from the United States, happy Memorial Day. Hope everyone's having a good day so far, right? Guys, remember, today might be a little bit choppy. Okay, just straight off the bat, I'm going to say that. And guys, make sure to check the description box on a buy or sell channel here. We're here to provide free technical and fundamental analysis. All right, any trades taken upon yourself. All right, remember, again, I just mentioned it is a holiday, so it might be a little bit choppier. We're only going to focus on pretty much 2, maybe 3 instruments, gold, US 30, and NASDAQ. Okay, we're going to leave a lot of the USD pairs alone. And focus on them again tomorrow. So guys, we're going to go to about 9:45 today, all right, and that'll be that. So make sure to check out, guys, the link in the description box. If you're looking for a new broker, okay, we're supporting HankoTrade right now. Just click the link, open a demo account, see if it makes sense to you, and if you like it, roll with them, okay? So guys, that being said, you can see that straight across the board since May 24th, we've had some consolidation movement on gold, all right, pretty straightforward. So you can see this. So I like to get nice demand area, okay, kind of hovering in and around here. All right, it's going to act as previous support, okay, once over here bouncing and then they broke, and then they're acting as support again, okay? So let's watch and see here how price is going to move based on this general area. Okay, going to touch this up a bit, and let's get some demand, okay? Some supply. Just layered up demand here. I'm looking to my left, okay? Nice little supply zone on the daily here, okay? And guys, remember, don't go haywall today. All right, it's like I said, bank holiday. You can see the indecisionness on the candles here on the daily. All right, so let's watch and see how this is going to move here. We have price is now fluctuating at 1854, roughly 1855. Okay, still in that 50s area. So guys, what I'm going to do, get nice daily support level right here. Switch that over to yellow. Okay, add some coordinates here. Daily support. Next, we're looking at some daily resistance here. Probably going to gather that on the 4-hour. All right. Let's drop down to the 4. Just because of the indecisionness of the candles. There we go. There we go. Okay, so I'm looking at 4-hour resistance right here. Guys, please go report that Stock Sniper scam account that just popped up. No idea who that is. Obviously, someone likes what we're doing, so they got to try to copy it. Just please go report it. They put an O instead of a 0 instead of an O. So, cool, guys. So back down to the 1-hour, you can see price, okay, has still continued a lot of chop. All right, you can see the bottom wicks are holding nice hourly support in and around here. Okay, and I'm looking for my hourly resistance. Okay. Going to drop down to the 30 here. looking good. $30-minute. Okay, let's drop now down to the 15. Okay, guys, so it looks like we're trying to fill the imbalance here of that big ignited candle, okay, that happened yesterday. As soon as market opened, you can see price started to push, continue, and then we've had the 3-bar play to start the overall downfall. We broke level of structure right here with the big bearish candlestick, and now we're in that indecision consolidation area on the 15. Okay, so let's take a peek now at the 5. Okay, pretty straightforward. Look over here. So we broke initial support. One more to the left. All right, guys. So now we're on 5-minute. All right, we're hovering in between, like I mentioned, this consolidation. It's in between 55 and 54. Okay, you can see it if we stretch this all the way across. Nice support level here, dropped. Okay, found another layer of support. Okay, you can even go and get the bodies if you'd like. You see price has pierced through. So we bounced up, had some rejection. So we need to make sure that we get our 5-minute resistance here. Okay, so what I see kind of happening is we're getting some sellers in around this area. Okay, and then the buyers are picking up liquidity. So we're kind of trapping in this zone right here. All right. On the 5. So you can see we're bouncing, finding some support level right here, rejection, getting some resistance, okay, at the 56 area, pushing back down, pretty straightforward. We pierced it, closed above. All right, now we're looking to see if price can start to dump here and maybe, like I said, fill that imbalance of that big ignited candle for the overall continuation. So it's 7:57, guys, coming into 8 a.m. All right, so if we start to break this wick, I know we're coming in off the hourly. All right, you can see still steady downtrend here. So if we start to break this general area, it's 1854.25. Okay, if we break, we're going to see if we're going to get a continuation retest and maybe fall even further. Okay, but let's watch. Let's see. There's some divergence here. Okay, that's why we need to watch and see price, because you can see price in terms of bearish candlesticks you have an engulfing here is pushing down. You can see that there's a little bit of divergence on the 5. All right, so let's just mark up some other labels here. And then right up in here. Okay, so about 1:40, guys. I'm watching to see the new hourly candle here. Let's take a peek at the DXY real quick. Got 1:30. After this, guys, we'll do US 100 NASDAQ. Okay, so the DXY is starting to push. Let's take a look at it on the hour. Okay, so still holding that nice resistance, guys. This is from the overall chart this week. You can see we talked about is the DXY going bullish or bearish on the daily. Okay, let's just edit this real quick. Okay, you can still see it's following that downtrend. Okay, so it's going to come maybe to bearish territory, maybe 99.4. Okay, I see the first level of support coming in exactly where the nice little bounce play would be at 100.5. Okay, so let's just watch. This is on the daily, remember that. Okay, this is the new daily candle that opened. All right, so let's take a peek at gold here. Drop back, drop to the 5. Okay, 27 seconds left, guys. Remember, bank holidays lead to a lot of indecision. Okay, so we might get some head fakes here. That's why you don't just press buy or sell off the whim. We'll watch and see, guys. Even from that US 30 HankoTrade members, okay, you can see it's now retesting the overall entry that we had. So what do you guys think? Do you guys think gold is going to go bullish or bearish this week? Remember, today is a holiday, so might have a little bit of indecision. Let me know thoughts, guys. I'd like to hear what you're thinking. Okay, so you can see they're holding that level, 1854.2. Price is slowly starting to rise up, finding that overall demand. So if we start to break through here, we haven't even checked with the RSI, so let's take a peek. We did quickly check it out, but we didn't mark the 50 line on it. Let's mark the 50. Okay, and we're going to see what we're looking like with the 9 EMA. 9 and 200. Okay. Okay, so they're starting to find that bullish support. All right, price starts to break here. Going to get another 1853. One more tap here. There we go. Okay, we'll mark in 1853.5. Okay. Okay, guys, so pretty straightforward. Okay, so if we start to sell off below 54, coming down to possibly 53 with some probable hold up, okay? Just because of, like I said, the holidays, it's not going to be clean today. It's going to be a lot of indecision, a lot of head fakes, okay? Members, you guys should be continuously running on the US 30, okay? Don't get greedy on it. A lot of people say bullish, bearish this week. Okay, we'll see. Did anyone check out the Heat game last night? Anyone watch? Guys, in about 5 minutes, we're going to do NASDAQ. Who had the Celtics, guys? Celtics dominate. I thought Jimmy Buckets was going to hit it, guys. So Neil, bro, it's a head and shoulder on the 4-hour time frame on gold. Yeah, we'll watch and see here. We have it bearish. Okay, so that's a continuation pattern for bear. All right, inverse head and shoulder for bull. So let's watch. Celtics played really good defense, guys. I didn't watch Champions League. How was it? What do you guys think, though? Liverpool lost. I did see that in the highlights. I did see that. Yeah, I saw that Real won. I saw the highlights. I didn't see the game, though, guys. Everyone says football, like American football fans are crazy, guys. Soccer fans, they're the real deal. They're what's up. Okay, so you guys can see that this candle has opened up and we've had no volume coming through with it. All right, you can see it's just kind of hovering around that 1854. Okay, Liverpool is really demonstrating the game. King of Champions. Oh, guys, we got some serious football fans here. I love it. Liverpool had 24 shots on target. Madrid had 4. Okay, that's yeah, that's not good. I did not see that. Okay, guys, if gold is going to move this slow, we're going to head over in about 2 minutes and check out NASDAQ. Mangala, the market is open. It's just a U.S. holiday, so that's why you're going to get a lot of indecision. Okay, a lot of chop right now. Okay. Sammy, we'll get a sports group. Ali, Ian, we'll get one. We did have one before, but it was mostly UFC. I think when we get basketball and football in there, it'll be a little bit more interactive for sure. So we'll add that in this week, absolutely. Okay. What kind of events affect gold prices? A lot of major news events. Orange, red. Okay. So we can talk about news here, guys. You can see that today, remember we talked about bank holidays. Okay. So that's what we're rolling with today. We have 11 a.m. Orange folder USD. It's just a speaking event. Okay. So just be aware of that, though. It is orange. So it might have some impact. And then the rest of the day is pretty much straightforward. Okay, the only reason why we're here, guys, is just to keep the stream going, stuff like that. Now, I know a lot of people are actually taking today off. They're probably very hungover. So, probably can't even stare at the candlesticks. And then, guys, tomorrow you can see what we have going on here. We have some U.S. folder news coming in at 10, Canadian news at 8:30. So we'll probably do U.S. CAD tomorrow, try to get some revenge. All right. Then you can see we have odd pairs coming in at 9. Okay, nice red folder there. So tomorrow will be okay, guys, leading in from after 8. London will be a bit probably, I think London will have some good moves too. Okay, judging by all these folders here, just not much high impact. All right. And then, guys, for this possible week here, I want to see what we have going on Friday. So, guys, Friday we have a very big day today. Okay. NFP, and then you have unemployment rate, guys. So this Friday is going to be a very, very, very large U.S. red folder event. Okay, first week of every month, NFP and unemployment claims, guys. So, Skinny, your channel blew up. I remember watching you at like 9K. It's been a while, eh? Yeah. Euro USD is a big short. Scope off the 1.08 area. Okay, we'll take a peek at that after. Umar, I'm doing great. Hopefully you guys are as well. All right. So you can see as gold is definitely having not much volume today, and that's to be expected. So we'll head over, we'll look at NASDAQ. Okay, we'll take a peek at NAS. Yeah, Sammy, that's on Wednesday. Yes. All right, same with NASDAQ. Let's get some top downs here, guys. Go to the daily. Guys, do you guys remember last week we had US 30 on the daily? We set a target here, and you can check in the FX group that we smashed that daily. So let's aim, see what our next daily target would be here. I can see price getting to 12,983 if we get that volume. It might not be today, okay, just because of the holiday, but it's good to always analyze and watch. Okay, so let's get some charting done. Beautiful W pattern here, guys. Double bottom. You can see kind of forcing price to the upside now. I'm going to get some daily support. I'm not even going to drive the supply and demand here. Okay, you're going to get daily support. And then we have some daily resistance on the current wick. Okay, definitely going to just size this up, drop to the 4-hour now. Eduardo, what's your win rate? It varies, man. Varies from week to week. You can check out the live streams to see how we've been doing. Okay, that's probably the best justification. Okay, and then we post in the FX group and on our social. Okay, so you can make sure to check that out as well. Okay, guys, so I have some daily support. All right, starting to form. This is going to be potential target on the 4 hour. Okay, so I'm just going to go 4 hour resistance. And then 4 hour support. Members, you guys should be running on that US 30 sell here. Yes, weekly resistance from a while back. One sec, guys. What do you guys think for the indices? Do you guys think that NASDAQ is going to go bullish or bearish today? Obviously, we have the news, okay, lack thereof, and the holiday. We'll go check out the trend for sure. Give me 1 second. Finding that hourly right there. Perfect. Okay, so pretty straightforward, guys. Let's look to the left real quick. What do we have? Just huge bearish sell-off here at this current time. Okay, that's a 4 hour. So we'll get back. Let's take a look at the 30-minute. Okay, 30-minute resistance coming in. And guys, this is a top down without supply and demand, so that's why you don't see the big green or red zones. And then you can see that we have level of support here, holding price for our 30-minute support. Okay, it dropped to the 15. Okay, I see a short-term trend holding NASDAQ down on the 15. All right. Check out all this momentum here. We've had support level. I do see one more key. Started to break. Okay. We're there right now. So it's on the 15. All right, probably going to gather this wick to the left right here. Okay, if I drag that over, guys, that was a previous wick. Rejection, say push, price up. Rejection, held support, and then the next preceding candle continued bullish. Okay, so let's watch. Let's mark that as 15-minute support level. Hey guys, everyone just tuning in here. I know we keep growing pretty much by the minute. All right, it is a holiday today, guys, so you're not going to get the same kind of moves probably as you would normally think. Okay, Memorial Day for all the fellow Americans, guys. So hopefully you guys are having a great day. I'm surprised a lot of you guys are up. Okay, and we'll go to the 5-minute now. Okay, looking good. Okay, guys, so if we do tend to break here, look to the left. Okay, definitely have a nice level of support and then around here, and then I see one more structure before we start to possibly sell off. Okay, barbecue today at the SST house. Yeah, guys, if you guys can get here, do chicken wings, burgers, hot dogs. Can definitely do a barbecue. Okay, so hella chop, NASDAQ. We're not getting much movement here. 14, 13 seconds. We'll see how this candle closes. All right. Okay, let's take a peek here. Here's the new 5-minute, just 15 minutes starting to launch here. Take a peek at gold. Head back. A little bit of a gold sell starting to form here. Okay. Check out this chop. Just going to remove this and just watch. Started to break through. Flip bullish here. Okay. So you can see, guys, a lot of resistance here. Shoulder, potential head, secondary shoulder, support level. All right, price is still moving bullish. Okay, so this will be interesting for today. Guys, I live right around a fire department. That's why you're hearing those sirens. Costco fire department, very well built up area. It's on a main street, so there's fire trucks going all down this SOB all day. Perfect. Okay, one more. 1853. Get that in one line. Okay, so guys, let's flip over here. Gold is not doing too much. Had initial moves at the beginning of the call here. You can see that nice little push. All right. At NASDAQ. One more time check. NASDAQ is starting to float bearish here, guys. Okay, nice trend formation here. Okay, short-term sell. Okay, we'll take out GU too. GU sometimes has big moves on Mondays. We'll just see how she's moving. Okay. This is very choppy, but definitely like the way it's set up here. Let's see on the daily. She's right about to push. Okay, we'll check out EU too. Yeah, very similar to GU, guys. Okay, so if we start to break this structure level on EU, all right, beautiful sell opportunity is right in here. Okay, now we're starting to get that overall support level starting to fill. If we break this general mark, fill that wick potentially, and then start to come back to this overall targeted area down here. The Dow is in a sell, very similar to NASDAQ, but it's pushing and pulling, making lower highs, lower lows, but at a very slow rate. Okay. Okay, so let's just watch maybe GBP USD. Very choppy here, guys. Okay, I'm not looking like I want to trade GU. We can focus on EU at the moment. Okay, guys, let's take a peek at EU on the daily. Gold is still holding support level here, so you guys can see where I was trading this last. All right. So let's erase this. We'll do a top down, guys. EU is moving, so we don't want to miss this opportunity here. At least we can try to find something. Gold doesn't look like it's trying to sell right now. It's still holding that key level. So Let's find our support demand. Okay, looking good there. See some next level supply coming in to the left here. How many people like trading EU, guys? I know EU is probably one of the most common. This is on Global Prime, guys, just FYI, okay? How many EU traders do we have here in the group? Doesn't have to just be Zoom, it can be YouTube right now. Members, you know we do everything, so it doesn't really matter at this point. Okay, got a lot of people who do it. Gold is in some consolidation at this time. We're going to flip up. We'll do a top down on EU, and then we'll go check out gold. Zero spreads. Okay, that's what, guys. Are you guys spreads very, very low on EU? What do you guys think? If BTC keeps 29,900 or 29,500 daily, we're fine until. Yeah, Kowalski, I know. I like to type it though. I know you can create templates. I have them. I actually have quite a few done. No commission. There we go. EU. Okay, guys. So at least you got some spreads here, but it's low commission, low spreads for a lot of people. So that's probably why they like trading EU, which makes total sense. Okay, so let's just take a peek here. I don't really trade EU too much. Okay, just gonna move this right back down to right there. Okay, gold is picking up that support, guys, at that 1854. We'll flip over in 2 seconds here. Let's check with the hourly. Okay, so we're right at that key level, that 4-hour support, guys. You can see we're now at the hourly, so I see 1 hour resistance level coming in. Gold just popped to the bullish side, guys. Did not break below. Okay, so remember we talked about that divergent play. That's why nothing even broke below that 1854. I'll show you guys in a second here. Let's just get down this. Okay, we'll drop to the 30-minute now. Okay, pretty straightforward. Take out the 15. Okay, 1 hour. We have daily. Okay, gold is starting to push, guys. We'll head over right now to gold. Take a look at the 5. So if we start to break on the euro, guys, you can see it possibly has some momentum to switch. Okay, gold is really pushing right now. Okay, I'm looking for a possible short-term sell on the euro. Okay, looking for maybe a fill back down to this price right here. Okay. Okay, we'll flip back to gold now. Okay, guys, so if we start to break here, this is some momentum push. This is a double bottom. I'm looking for 1856, guys. We've had some previous rejection here, so nothing broke below here. You can see pretty straightforward. Okay, I think we're starting to cross the 9 slowly. Okay, you can see we're right at that 50 line, guys. So if once price starts to break here, we're looking for a potential push to the upside. Okay, we're going to get here, push, close, and then we're going to see a continuation back up to the hourly, getting some resistance so far. Okay, so these are our zones right here, the areas that I'm looking for short-term sells. I'm going to set one right here, an alarm. Okay, and I'm going to set one right up in here, which will be the double bottom. Okay, so let's take a peek. Okay, let's take a peek at NASDAQ. Okay, NASDAQ continuation, starting to break the lows here. Okay, right at the low, 12 seconds. Just broke below 12,018.10. 12,810. Okay, right in that. I'm not in the euro right now. I'm watching right in this price right here. I'm watching this consolidation. Okay, this on NASDAQ, guys. So we got gold, NASDAQ, and EU running today. Okay, guys, so if we still continue here, we're starting to now get into oversold territory. Okay, it's on the 5. All right, you can see the price of movement here. I'm looking for this movement, a short. Okay, and my long is going to be to the upside right here. Okay, and then if we go bullish, looking for a potential reverse, it's got to close above that 9 EMA right there, guys. Okay, so we start to continue, need to get around this 9. It's slowly going to drop here as price is dropping. Okay, so let's mark up a little bit of a time. 0.5. Okay, 0.25. So let's watch. Okay, NASDAQ still dumping, guys. Here's the clean break. Watch for the retest now here, okay? Sometimes it just took the new hourly candle to open. Remember, we had 820. We're now at 826, guys. Okay. Okay, we'll go check with the euro after. Okay, gold indecision, NASDAQ. Slowly started to break, finding that key level support right here. Let's watch and see what kind of divergence we have. No, nothing right now currently. So you can see to the left, buyers have picked up this general area right here. Okay. So any kind of movement, guys, I need it closing above the 9. If not, they're just going to push it like this. Tap the 9 EMA and it's going to push right back down. Okay, we need to close above this general area, most likely the 15, for the continuation support. Okay, so let's go check out euro and mark some alarms right here. I'm going to do 150 point line right through. Okay, there's NASDAQ. I had a feeling it was going to do that. Add one more right there. Okay, take a peek at EU now. One stop on gold. Okay, so very low volume, guys. Look at this. Indecision. Showed nice bullish support. Okay, now you can see right back to a spin top candle here. Price is still looking solid though. And we'll take a look at EU. Okay, let's watch and see EU, guys. Right at that potential entry point. That'll be a TP right there. So let's edit this. Okay, and then we got price flag right here. Okay. NASDAQ is dropping. Okay, so let's just watch. We'll set one alarm right here on EU. I'll set my other right above. That way we have all areas covered. Okay, NASDAQ is slowly breaking, guys. All right, remember this is the area we just pushed through all of the buyers. Okay, here's the retest. The retest, that nice level of support. Gold is starting to make its way up. Go check out gold too. Yeah, I know. I saw CAD JPY, guys. That was from last week. I'll go show everyone here just to show you guys. Okay, as I'm running about 3-4 pips on NASDAQ on the sell. Okay, and there is CAD JPY, guys. Take a look on this on the hourly. This is from last week, guys. Let's go to the 4-hour here. This is from last week. Okay, so that was sent here. We closed in around 15 pips. Told the guys to leave it alone. If you didn't, you can start to see that that thing is pushing almost 95, 100 pips. Okay, and this was original CAD JPY. Okay, that we sent about a week ago, and you can see it's starting to push as of right now. Okay. So there's EU2. Okay, I'll go back to the 5. Okay, so EU's right at the potential entry here, guys. Let's watch. Okay, chop chop. Okay, Euro's holding right there. So far, we'll flip on watch NASDAQ. I haven't entered in anything yet other than NAS. And it's slow. Okay, so NASDAQ is holding, guys. Looking pretty good. With about 8-9 pips, guys. So I'm going to secure some of this and leave a runner. Okay, it's still TPing it, coming down to that 12,788, guys, looking good. There it is. Beautiful, guys. Who says you can't make trades on a bank holiday? How many people took NASDAQ? How many people were in NAS? Got a lot of people, actually. Beautiful, guys. It might not hit actual TP, guys, so just gather some of this, slice them off the table here. Okay, you can see that the demand is still there. There's a lot of buyers. Okay, let's just monitor this. Set an alarm just in case. Gold's flipping, guys, looking pretty bullish at the moment. Okay. Getting a little bit of resistance though coming in. Okay. Guys, that's like almost a 15 pip move there. Okay, guys, secure some of this. You can see they're coming to a critical area right now. 2 times they've had a wick bounce. Okay, and they haven't even tapped the low just yet. We'll take a peek at gold too. Okay, guys, if you took NASDAQ or you traded today and you grabbed some or whatever it is, just smash the like button for me. You know, trading on a bank holiday, not a lot of people are doing it, so if you don't mind, just show the love here. There's about 530 on. Take a peek at EU. Okay, so EU just broke. Okay, that'll be a great trade, but obviously the first TP we're looking for is right here, which is almost a 5 to 6 pip move. Okay, and we'll take a peek at gold too. Oh, there's EU, guys. Have your stop loss around the daily here, or sorry, the hourly. Okay, if you guys are in on EU, beautiful sell. Oof, big dump. How many people running on EU right now? Okay, have your stop loss at the hourly. Okay, it's not too many pips. I'm looking for maybe a 10 pip drop here. See if this thing can drop even more. Oh, there's EU, guys, coming down to 10 pips. GU dumped also. GU and EU have really good moves on Mondays, guys. There we go, guys. Let's see if we can get this 10 pip move. Gold is flying too, guys. Gold is flying right now. I don't want to leave this. I just want to see. But gold pushed up, guys. If we get that double bottom here, we're going to get that breakout. Oof, guys. Euro is dumping. Wow. Gustav, the dirty was my move today too. It had a nice little retracement pullback, but it was a nice initial dump for sure. Okay, and we'll take a peek one more time at NASDAQ too, guys. Okay, NASDAQ is looking good. So if you guys shaved some off or took some, you can see it's now heavily approaching that 12,788. We look to the left. Here comes the new 5-minute candle. Let's watch and see what kind of move we can get. Oh, guys, look at NASDAQ drop. Oof. I got still a little bit of a runner here. Did anyone take still holding NASDAQ? Anyone still holding EU? Let's take a peek at EU too. There we go, guys. EU still dropping. Okay, NASDAQ flipped back, guys, and it found that support at 12,788. So if you guys are still in NASDAQ, it flipped, okay? It found some support, and now it's starting to walk to the upside. It's been almost a couple hours, at least an hour of bearish candlesticks on NAS. So I want to see a little bit more how this is going to move. Okay, I think it's still going to drop a bit, guys. I think we can get down to the hourly, okay, but we need to have more momentum here. More volume push. This is a volume candle, okay? Extreme volume right here. Price tried to break, push back down. All right, I want to see the hourly of how EU looks. All right, EU looks really nice, guys. Remember we talked about doing some supply right here? Okay, we're now on a parallel channel onto the upside on EU. It's still breaking down very strong. There we go. Just see if we can get those 10. Gold was rejected, guys, at the 30-minute. Okay, so it's floating in and out of that support and resistance area. Okay, remember we talked about supply and demand. Let's just finish the last 2 minutes on EU here, guys. Then we'll check out NASDAQ gold. Okay, NASDAQ just replaced all of those preceding bearish candlesticks and drop around right to entry here, guys. So if you guys were in NAS, make sure you secured, okay? Don't let this thing break up and you go into drawdown. 15 pips is more than enough for you to get a chance to take some of that. Very slow at this moment. Okay, there we go, guys. There's EU slowly selling. Okay, I believe that EU can get, if it continues, at least to there, they're going to have some sort of a pullback here. NASDAQ just flipped. Okafor, it does lag, 100%. You're going to get a 30 seconds to 2-minute lag. It's just the way any stream does it. That's why we have the Zoom. Okay, so let's take a peek at NASDAQ and gold for 1 sec. We'll monitor EU. Okay, we do have an alarm set. Okay, here's EU, guys, slowly starting to bounce. And there's choppy gold. Okay. Gold is still not looking like our best friend today. Okay. Let's take a look at NASDAQ. Okay, so we're pushing right back into that consolidation zone to the left. Okay, to the left. All right. Let's now watch and see here. We did not drop for 30, only got about maybe 19, 15 at the most. All right, so if we start to break above here, guys, we're looking pretty solid so far. I just want to make an update on the RSI. Gold will go south. Is it going to go to Florida? What do you mean by south? Okay, guys, so if NASDAQ wants to have its continuation, maybe a nice little push. All right, looking at something like this. Nice little break to the upside here. We'll watch. All right. Okay, that's why you give it a little bit of wiggle room here, guys. Let's watch and see on gold. Take one more peek. I'm going to set an alarm right here. I think we already have one. There we go. I'm just joking, buddy. I know. Whenever I hear going south, trust me, when you're from Canada, all you think is snowbirds. Not too sure if you guys even are familiar with that term. Okay, so there's gold. Okay, let's take a peek at the 200, right near just below it. Rob, what are snowbirds? Basically, elderly or older people. Doesn't have to be older people. They can be young people too. Whatever a snowbird is. They basically come from snow and then they travel to the heat. A lot of times, Florida, Myrtle Beach, different areas like that, and they'll live out there for like 6 months, then come back. They'll do like 6 months here in Canada, 6 months here, wherever they may be. They basically chase the heat. Arizona, Sonia, exactly. Arizona is one of the best places for actual joint and rehabilitation. The heat is very good on a lot of arthritis, different things like that. So basically, Arizona is one of the best places to go if you can withstand the heat. Yes, Texas, Arizona, Florida. Seasonal retirees, my man, you know. Les Quebecois, Christopher. Yep. Okay, guys, so you can see gold still holding there, right around that 50 line. Frames of mind exactly like a Canadian goose. Pretty much what we are down here, Canadian geese. So when my man says gold is going south, that's what I think about. It's nothing else other than that. So let's take a peek at EU, guys. Let's see if we got a little bit of a bounce here. Okay, EU took a bounce too. All right. You can see that it dipped off here, probably coming right back down to right back up to the 9 EMA. All right, we're gonna watch and see here. Okay, nice drop here. NASDAQ flipped, Euro flipped, gold had a little bit of sell-off here. All right, you can see now we're approaching that 4-hour retest from the initial bearish drop right here. Okay, let's take a peek. Euro is flipping, guys. So watch and see what's going to happen at the 9 EMA. Okay, demand there. Nice little bounce. Parek, which one are you looking at that one for? Yeah, I was looking at that too. Good eyes. So once they say thanks for everything you do, you're one of the best traders I've seen so far, 100%. It's not just me. There's Ron, there's Blair, there's Ibrahim, and there's everyone in the group. Trust me, the stream would not be all like this if I didn't have everyone there, okay? For example, I've never looked at EU trading live. You guys have probably known that. I had one person mention it in the group, and today nothing was happening, so we switched to EU. Me personally, I would have just stuck with the indices, okay, and then the commodities, just not to get some people confused. But because of the group, and because of the people like that, we ended up catching EU on the drop, okay? So spreads are huge on EU. Yeah, stay away, guys. Big spreads. Okay, guys, gold is just shit. NASDAQ, shit. Pardon my French, guys, but if we start to break here again on NASDAQ, all right, right in that indecision. Okay, you can see oversold. Gustav, you caught the dirty. Nice. Okay, guys, let's watch NASDAQ here. I'm looking at the hourly on NASDAQ, guys. You can see. Let's take a peek, higher time frame. This is what we're working with on the hourly on NAS. Okay, huge bullish run. Let's take a peek at the 4-hour indecision. Okay, but a lot of momentum here. Okay, you can see we are overbought on the 4-hour, but doesn't really mean too much. Just wanting to know where price actual is on the higher time frame. Okay, gold is starting to push and hold the upside right now. Okay, we'll take a peek at EU and Goldie too. Sango, I'm waiting for, I want to see more of a rejection at the 9. Okay, but that is what I'm thinking, unless we get a clear push to the upside. Okay, so gold is choppy chop. Let's take a look at EU. EU's pushed right back to entry, guys, so we'll watch and see. That nice little pullback happened. Alright, we'll see if we're going to get that rejection here, if it's going to be a push. we'll take a peek at US 30. Starting to flip. Okay, so nice little dip down on US. A little bit now, we'll erase this. Okay. That was this morning, dropped about 25-30 pips, and then you can see the reversal happening. Okay. So right back in the consolidation area, we'll do US 30 coming in about maybe 5-10 minutes. Okay. Maybe about 5-10 minutes. So let's take a look at DXY here on the hourly. Okay, so still in that downtrend. Let's watch NAS. Okay, so nice rejection here again coming at NASDAQ. Guys, if we hold below here, I might look like to sell at NASDAQ again. But again, not going to have to get some more confirmation below these wicks, if anything. Okay, so we need to break these two. Fuck, I hate these charts. These two candles, these wicks right there, you can see they're holding. We need to break there for the continuation. If not, they're just going to hold and push this thing back up. Okay, just under 3 minutes here, guys. Coming into the new hourly candle, I would be waiting for everything, just relaxing now. We're going to do a market open here. We'll watch and see what kind of market we get. All right, then we're going to stay till about 9:45. Okay. Yes, Ian, we did. Today we got about 3 people who are adding to it. Okay. We got about 3. Okay, guys, so a little bit of indecisiveness right here, so just continue to watch. Look at the candles we have. I'm just going to slide this over here so you can see. There is a no volume based support level holding. Okay, so 3 bottom taps. All right, price looks like it's going to probably maybe start to make a little upward trending movement here, at least maybe to the top of the channel. Okay, which is the previous consolidation. So what I'm watching on this 9, there you go, guys. Okay, so nothing broke below here. I wanted these with my main thing right here. See those 3 double taps? Nice level of support. Okay, so let's watch and see if we're going to break the 9 and then tap the hourly support. We're just filling this wick right here. Good morning, guys. Happy Memorial Day to you guys as well, for everyone in the United States. Okay, remember we talked about filling the wick. Okay, slowly starting to do that. Got about 1 minute left here. Let's watch and see how this is going to play out. Okay, nice momentum hold here, guys. Gold is starting to form something as well. Slowly selling off. NASDAQ starting to push. Okay, so here we go, guys. Just broke that hourly support. Let's take a look at the euro. I think I was watching on my other chart. She just started to flip. Okay, so nice engulfing candlestick coming from the 9. Remember I told you guys watch the 9 EMA. That's the key part. Mellow, no, I didn't do it yet. I'm just watching. It's all about the 9 EMA for me. Gold is starting to push back down as well. Okay, you can see it's right in that consolidation, trying to break the 9. Okay, you can see they wick down, push back up. Okay, indices are starting to float bull right now, guys. Gold is starting to turn. Gold is really indecision, right, hovering in that 50. Okay, we'll do US 30 top down. Let's just see an inverse head and shoulder pattern continuation here, okay? So shoulder here, head there, shoulder, neckline area, which is why you're getting your push. Okay, so we're right at a critical mark. Okay, NASDAQ is pushing 2. Very similar to US 30. Okay, so NASDAQ. Okay, new hourly has opened, guys. This is this is like critical for me. I want to wait for the first 5 minutes to come through at least. Okay, I see there's a long wick right down here. Okay, so price has dipped down. Nice engulfing candlestick here. All right, you can see that where we're coming to at this level right here, it's previous support. So they bounced it. Okay, then they have a heavy breakthrough. Now they're trying to break the overall support as it's acting as resistance. Okay, so right now, watch the first 5 minutes of this. US 30 is pumping as well. Okay, gold is also, so let's take one more peek at gold here. Okay, so gold is approaching that 56 area. All right, in this general mark, every time we've been here, we've sold. Okay, you can see they get in this area and they sell back down. All right, so let's watch, see what kind of movement we get. I see a shoulder, head and shoulder pattern here. Shoulder, head, secondary shoulder for the potential break to the upside. Okay, remember it's just tapping in there right now. This is 56.53. If you look, the zones higher. Okay, we need to get a nice momentum push to break this, holding this level of support, which it's doing right now, following this pathway right here. Okay, 25 seconds, guys. Wait for this candle to close and the next one to open to see what kind of move we're going to get. Okay, 8 seconds. Yep, it's at the 200, I know. Right at the resistance. Okay, so tapped in supply. You can see where we're currently at. You can see that right near the 200 exponential moving average. So price getting some resistance here, pushing right back down. Okay, that's why you don't just buy. You watch for the candle to close, the new one to open, and see what this one's going to form. You can see the wick is closing a little bit lower. The price has not even touched or even thought about going bullish, closing it parallel, and then possibly pushing price back down to tapping maybe the 30-minute. Okay, for me, just gonna get everything ready here. Okay, let's go check out everything else. Got 906. There's the buy, guys. Starting to form here. Okay, so they're testing it now. Okay, let's see. We need that liquidity, guys. We need a big push here, exactly. Not price is going to get pushed right back to the downside here, so let's watch. Okay, NASDAQ kind of flipped bearish again. Okay, watch and see how this is going to close, guys. After this candle, we'll do US 30 here. Okay, gold is floating right now, guys. Nice bullish momentum. Let's see where we're at here. Where's the next psychological number? 1857, that would be. A tool, I don't know. I think it's the wrong way. I think you're looking at it the other way. Okay, so inverse head and shoulder here, guys. Gonna watch and see how this candle is gonna close. All right, pathway still breaking up between that 56.6, still shooting up. Maybe getting the fill to 1858. We'll watch. I'm just gonna show you the overall. See what kind of moves we can get based on that. Okay, so let's watch. We'll finish up here. I just want to set one more to 58. Okay, and then we'll take a peek at NASDAQ, US 30 here. There's gold starting to move. There we go. Okay, big break on gold, guys. Okay, let's take a peek at EU and everything. Set one alarm right here. That's a big break, guys. Remember we talked about this? So shoulder, head, inverse head and shoulder for the push to the upside. Okay, nice resistance there. So it's in that critical part, guys. COVID, we'll get you set up, man. The Discord, no problem. We'll get you hooked up. Don't worry. We didn't respond to any emails yesterday. We had a family day. So we'll get you hooked up today. All right, guys. You guys should be running about 10 pips in there, members. If you guys caught that. Did you guys catch that buy? It's a big breakout, guys. It's a big break. Go take a peek, guys. 911. We'll go to okay. Nice resistance here. NASDAQ, I'm unsure. It's right in that critical mark. Remember we talked about that consolidation to the left? Okay, so let's just go flip over everything else. Got about 6-7 minutes here. I want to see EU for a sec. Okay, look at this, guys. Nice strong trend on the 5-minute. EU is flipping and floating bullish. Okay, so we got some nice resistance here, guys, coming in. Okay, I'll take a peek at one more time. GU. GU, same thing, looking bullish, and it flipped, guys. A lot of head fakes today. I'm going to leave EU for now. EU dropped maybe about 7-8 pips, almost 10. All right, and you can see it started to flip and turn bullish. Okay. Let's take a peek at gold. Okay, nice rejection coming in. Still holding. Oh, guys, that's a dirty move. Okay. US 30 NAS flip back down, guys. Okay, we talked about NASDAQ. Just waiting. Remember I told you wait for the hourly? I like the NASDAQ sells here personally. I took a short NASDAQ sell, guys, a small initial runner sell. We're going to watch and see how this is going to go. Okay, 9:15, guys. We'll take a look at US 32. EU is flipping bullish, guys. Okay, nice resistance at US 30 here. Very similar to NASDAQ sell. Okay, guys, I'm running 7 pips on NAS sell. Okay, I'm going to secure like at least 90% of this. I did a 5.0. I'm going to go 4.0 here. Leave a $1 runner and let it do its thing. Okay, as soon as it gets to that 12,788, guys, look to secure some. Okay, price can push to the upside here. I do see that little, whenever I see a spin top candle right here, I always think it's going to go W. So with whatever you're doing, secure some. Don't get greedy. Okay. Beautiful. Coming right back down. All right, guys. So 916 will do. I want to see US 30 now. So guys, look to secure some of this. All right, that was a quick little scalp. I want to check out gold real quick, and then we'll do US. Okay, US 30 here. Gold got some push back up. Okay, nice little continuation here. I think we can probably, hopefully, tap at least that 1860 mark, guys. All right, and then we'll go US 30 here. Just want to set one alarm. Okay, so what kind of move we get if we can start to push maybe up to that 1859 area. Okay, so let's take a peek at the dirty 30 now, guys. Okay, we'll go to daily here. That just scared the shit out of me, I'm not gonna lie to you. That subscriber thing. Yeah, I don't even like this thing anymore, guys. I literally just jumped. I don't know if you guys could could hear that or not. Ugh. Where's my man Neon? He said he hated it for a reason. I think that's why. Every time it went off, he got scared. Okay, guys, this is some choppy shit right here. I'm gonna drop down to the 4 hour right away. There we go. Ooh, Goldie is pushing, guys, real hard. Okay. We'll finish this up for a sec. Okay, we'll go find 4 hour support here. Okay, then we have our 4 hour support level right down here. Oh, guys, I gotta flip to gold for a sec. I gotta go to gold. Sorry, we waited for this move all friggin' day. I'll go back right in a second. There it is, guys. This thing's gonna tap 15. It's already going about 20 pips right here. Guys, that was an alert we sent to the Discord as we were live here, by the way. Okay, I'll post that in the free FX group for you guys, so you guys can see. There it is. Did anyone hold gold for this? This thing is flying, guys. This is what kind of holiday are we in right now? This thing is beasting, guys. Wow. Still pushing. I think they can get to the top of that wick, guys. They're at least 25 pips. Okay, so I'll head back to US 30 here. This thing is beastie, guys. Sometimes gold can be a piece of shit, and then sometimes just patience, guys, can be your best friend. Okay? There's 25 pips right there on gold, guys. Wow, that's crazy. Look to secure some, guys, if you're in on this. I think it can push right back down. You can see they've had it multiple times happen here. Let's take a peek at NASDAQ too. Anyone hold NASDAQ? Remember, we had it, guys. This thing is selling off here. Oh, guys, come on. Look at this dump. Oof. Look at this thing go, guys. Oh, what a beast. There it is, crossing. That's 30 pips at least. Okay. I closed at about 15 at the runner. I should have held a bit more. Okay, guys, got 921. Shit, we gotta get US 30 done. Go back and check NAS. Okay, let's just check gold one more time, then we'll do US 30 here. Okay, gold is full retracement, guys, so secure when you can. Ian, what happens if we miss the big market open move? There we go. Okay, I want to go to 4 hour here. Okay, we'll drop to 1 hour now. Find some support. Okay. 1 hour support. Rob Mac, delete that frickin'. Oh, guys, gold is pushing. We'll go back. I don't want to keep wasting this time, guys. I got 1 hour now. Resistance. Okay. What do you guys think for US 30? Do you guys think it's bullish or bearish here? Okay, I want to get that right there. Yeah, 1 sec, guys. I'll check gold here. Give me a sec. Bull, bear, bull, bear. Got a lot of okay, and then I got one more right up here on the 15 here. So that's 30-minute. The resistance. Okay, I'm gonna drop to the 15 here. Get my 15-minute resistance. Okay, got my support level right here. I have a 95% success rate, so if you say US 30 is bear, you guys better follow. I'm only joking. I love it. Gold hit 1860. Let's go take a peek, guys. Let's see what we got here. Oh, 1860 it did. There's a top of 1860, guys. Okay, a little bit of rise. That's crazy. That's a big move. Okay, so we'll do US 30 in a second here. We'll finish up. The trade, okay, it's right here. Stop loss would have been down and around here. Okay, anywhere around down in here right before we get that level of support. Okay, so if you missed it, that's okay. You can see this is the move we're looking for right around in here. Okay, which that would be almost a 43 pip move on gold. Now guys, where I'm getting this from is just check the free FX group. It's clicked on and pinned at the top. Okay. So she's going to probably 1861, which is the next previous support level right here before that long wick. Okay. And we'll go check out NASDAQ as well, and US 30 coming in the next 5 minutes. Guys, this thing is pushing here. Wow. Okay, we'll take a peek at NASDAQ too. So it's choppy right at the beginning, and then it kind of got a little bit better, guys. Ooh, NASDAQ. 3-bar play in the sell-off here. Remember I told you about the hourly, guys? Okay, remember I told you about the hourly? Look at the hourly now. Okay, coming right back down to probably that daily. Okay, tap near the daily resistance. Okay, coming back down, most likely filling that daily support level. Okay. Take a peek at US 30 as well. Okay, one sec, we'll focus on US 30. You guys want to focus on US 30 or NASDAQ, guys? Let me know, put it in the chat. What do you guys think? US 30 or NASDAQ here? What are you guys' thoughts? US 30 is dumping, guys. This is a big move here. Let me know. I'll monitor this accordingly. Okay, a lot of bullish. I don't know, guys, how it's going to be today, so you guys got to bear in mind with me. I did that last week. And members, that US 30 trade idea did not even hit stop loss. You guys should be running still about maybe 45, 50 pips. Okay, we got GJ, gold. Everybody wants some stuff here, guys. We're going to probably do US 30 just because we haven't done it yet. Okay. Or maybe we'll do NASDAQ here. What do you guys think? Now this is looking great. Guys, we got about a minute left here. Okay, NASDAQ had the big moves here. We'll do US 30 for today, guys. We already did NASDAQ. We had a nice little sell. Okay, I see one more general area I want to just grab for US 30. Okay, guys, so do not trade New York 930 for new. Okay, it's a US holiday, so it's going to be choppy, and use small lots. All right, there's no need to rush, jump in anything here. Trust me, that's when you have huge issues. Okay, so let's watch and see the first candle open up here. Okay, we'll watch NASDAQ too. So US 30 opened up, nothing kind of happened so far. Let's just take a peek on one initial NASDAQ. Okay, pretty much same thing. Okay, gold is still very strong, guys. Gold is still very, very strong. Okay, about 3 minutes here. Okay, nice sell off here. Slam fee poetry. I will say secure, then ask who's still holding that trade. Well, when I say secure, if people don't do that, then that would be me asking if they did it or not. So hopefully that makes sense. Okay, got 3 minutes here, guys. I want to see the next candle open here. Let the first 5 open. Gold is still pushing. Okay, 2 minutes. Let the first candle go. Does this course work with binary options? Yeah, candlesticks it does, but you're gonna. I don't really recommend you doing that. But again, everyone has their own taste for or threshold for that. Okay, guys. So coming in about 2 minutes here, let's take a peek at one more time at EU. Everyone's talking about EU pushing again. There's the push. Nice double bottom, guys. Still holding that. Okay. So gold 2. A little bit of a weak close here. Okay, so new candle is going to be opening up, guys, in about a minute. All right, so I'm just checking everything over right now. Last minute, first candle. I want to see NASDAQ too. Okay, NASDAQ slowly pushing to the upside, finding that level of support. Okay, EU just tapped that bullish move, the previous support. Now it's tapping the resistance here. Yeah, US 30 is on the 200 exactly, guys. So there's the 9, and you can see we're right around the 200 here. So let's look in the hourly. This is where we're at. Okay, nice trend starting from down here. A lot of the wicks. Okay, you can see they're holding. But we have crossed on the hourly, which price is probably going to maybe push back down to that hourly support. If not, they're going to hold that 33251. Okay, gold is continuing bullish, guys. Look to tap that 4 hour. Rob Mac, there is a correlation between the two. very slow today, guys. This is the bank holiday coming in. All right, remember how we took a little bit of time? It took about almost an hour and 15, hour and 20 minutes for any kind of moves on NASDAQ, gold, anything to happen. So I'm not expecting any difference when it comes to this time. Okay, gold getting some resistance at the 4-hour though. All right. Remember, the GBP chef trade is still floating in a little bit of bearish. It hasn't really triggered as of yet. Okay, but it can start to form nice bullish support at this area. All right. Okay, slowly coming in on here. Let's look at the 15. Oh, there's the drop on the 5, guys. Okay, so there's the initial drop here. So if we start to break this general area coming, guys, I think that if we start to look in this area, you can see the level of support that they've held. Okay, nice level here. Okay, nice level here, and anytime they dropped, they've started to hold. So if we start to break this general mark right here, okay, I think we might be able to get one down to the hourly. Okay, let's watch and see here. Looking for maybe a death cross situation. Okay, so we break here, looking for maybe a retest. We know to the left here, guys, that there is a lot of consolidation. Okay, so we're looking for it to break through this path, 33250, 33201. Okay, let's watch and see. We've got 2 minutes left on this candle. See how she's going to go. Gold is still getting some resistance at that critical area. Okay. Is there divergence on NAS? Yeah, there was. There's been divergence on NASDAQ for a while, even when we got that nice bullish bounce. Okay, guys, just under a minute now. Okay, 19 seconds here. The dirty 30 is pulling through. Okay, so here's the next candle open. Okay, sorry guys, move that over here. Just make that white. Okay, that's just one of my critical lines right now there, guys. Okay, big move. Watch for the retest on the 200 here, guys, okay? So NASDAQ, US 30, let's take a peek at NASDAQ for 1 sec. Oh yeah, Chop City right on the 200s, guys. As soon as we get here, it's going to be chop. So I'm going to stay for another 5 minutes, and then I'm not even going to risk anything else. This is too choppy at this time. As soon as they push it around, oh guys, look at gold here starting to push. US 30 holding that level. Okay, 5 minutes coming up, retesting that overall trend. Going to see if now 9 EMA is going to cross with the 200. As soon as we get to this general area, guys, this is not the style of trading that you want to look to grab. Okay, it's going to be choppy as hell. Do you enter market executions or stop? Sometimes both. It depends on the move. It depends if I'm watching the chart or not, or if I'm just kind of on the phone. GU's pushing up, I believe. Let's take a peek at GU. Yeah, pushing up and retesting, guys. This is too choppy for me. Not gonna lie to you guys, this is not what you want to be trading. Okay, this is not what you want to be trading at this current time. So nothing has broke below. Okay, you're probably going to get a retest of the 9. You're going to get some indecision, some sideways trading right around the 9 and 200. So guys, not going to lie to you, it's probably better if we just cut the call. This movement is not going to happen. Members, for the US 30 sell, you would have been up 80 plus pips from this morning. Gold 40 pips. Okay, and then we got 3 trades pending. All right. So we'll come back tomorrow, guys, same time, same channel. I just don't really want to risk coming in here what's going on. You know, there's a lot of indecision, especially at market open, bank holiday, and when we're around these 209 EMA. So let's resume tomorrow, guys, same time, same channel. If you guys want to check out the group here, okay, stocksnipertrading.com. I won't go over this too much, just going to go over the live sessions, okay? First things, guys, you can transform our webpage into over 100 different languages. Okay, 100 different languages. Guys, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button here just to catch us tomorrow again. All right, here's our walkthrough. Here's our calendar for live sessions, one-on-ones, whatever it may be. Make sure to check out, guys, this is our plans right here. Okay, these are our pillars: mentorship, trade ideas, okay, education, and live trading environment. All are in which are 4 pillars to you know, for what we kind of base the company on. All right, so Monday through Friday, guys, private London, we had it today, and then private New York in our Zoom. Okay, as you can tell with Discord, we do update as we go live here. Okay, and then we do 3 to 4 Tokyo webinars, you know, or educational sections. Okay, guys, if you have any questions, get in touch with us right here. Okay, that's the best way. Give us 12 to 48 hours to be in touch, and then we'll go from there. Okay. So guys, that being said, you can see that US 30 is still hovering around here. We don't want to have too much possible entries or exit at this time. Let's leave it alone here, and we'll check out you know, some more live trading tomorrow. Okay, so guys, have a great day. To all my American friends, happy Memorial Day. Hopefully you guys have a really good you know, day off. Hopefully none of you are too hungover, and we'll go from there. All right, so enjoyed it, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in on the holiday. I didn't expect to get this much movement, but we did, and I'm really happy about it. So cool, guys. Later, have a good one. See you tomorrow.
Every trader's focus is to get low spreads and finding a perfect strategy. They also focus on proper entries and exits. However, before any decision is made, look for a reliable broker. We all want to have good spreads and commissions that allow us to get into the blue faster. At HankoTrade, having spreads as low as zero point 0.0 pips with leverage available up to 500 times is just one click away. You may also choose from 3 different account types, with a minimum deposit as low as $10. Built by traders for traders. Trade and control with our recommended broker, HankoTrade.